Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Kia key fob battery used for different years, different models of Kia, Sorento, 2013, 14 and more. Pretty easy. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Once again, CR2032, very common one, and a flathead, a pretty big one. Right, so it's pretty easy. First, we have to take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here, and we take the key. Once again, button, key. Now, let me show you right here. Yeah, you can see pretty good. I take the flathead. This is why I said make sure it's big enough so it will not damage the cover. And I just turn clockwise, okay? Just like that. No need to apply a lot of pressure, okay? And then on the side as well, just to make it easier to open, okay? Here we go. This is the chip area, try not to touch that. And here is the battery. Now we'll take a smaller flathead, just underneath, right here, to take the battery out. As you can see, this is face down. Insert 2032 as I mentioned. To put it, this is a good one, so I'll use it again. I just slide it in and I press once again to take out right here, and to put it back I slide it and I press right here. Now I just have to put everything back to tighten, make sure everything is okay. Here is the emergency key. And that's it, you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're seeing. Thank you.